Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEPS Home School. I am Belal Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Student, today our topic is Chapter 1, Exercise 1.2, Creative Question Nong 1. Lecture Nong 3, HW Nong also 3. Look student, this is CQ1, there are two pairs, 27, 54, this is one pair, 52, 97, this is another one pair. Two number, 5742 blank space is a number. A number, write the 2 prime and 2 composite number. B number, determine which pair are co-prime to each other. That means there are two pairs, this is one pair and this is another pair. We have to identify which pair are co-prime to each other. C number, which digit is to be put in the blank space. That means you see this is the blank space. You have to put a number or digit so that the number will be divisible by 9. Okay, student, look, these creative questions is taken from your book, page number 12. Okay, page number 12. So at first I will solve a number. Write 2 prime and 2 composite number. Write 2 prime number. 2 prime number. 2 prime numbers are 2 and 3. Look, you see 2 has only 2 factors, 1 and itself. So this is a prime number. Similarly 3 has only 2 factors, 1 and itself. So this is a prime number. Similarly 2 composite number right here. 2 composite number. 2 composite number are suppose 6 and 9. Student, you have to remember the characteristics of composite number. We will call a number is composite number if the number has more than the 2 factors. You see, suppose 6 it has factor 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, that means the 6 has more than 2 factors. So 6 is a composite number. Similarly 9 its factor is 1, 3, 9. Okay, that means its factor is more than 2. Therefore we can say 9 is also a composite number. Now, B number questions. Determine which pair are co-prime to each other. Which pair are co-prime to each other? You see, write at first. The first pairs 27 and 54. We can break like this way, 27, 3 9s are 27, then 3 3s are 9. Similarly, 54, 27, then 3. Okay. Therefore, the factor of 27 are 1, 3, 9 and 27. Look student, the factor of 27 are 1, 3, 9 and 27, and the factor of 54, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 3 3s are 9, 9 to the 18, 18 also, then 27, then 54. Student, look here. The common factor between 27 and 54 are here 1, 1, 2, there is no 2, you see 3, and there is also 3, there is 9, and there is also 9. That means here more than the two common factors. Okay. You see, if there is only one common factor except one, then we call these two numbers are co-prime to each other. Okay. But here you see, except one, there are more common factor. You see, this is 3 and 3, similarly 9 and 9. That means more than here also two common factors. Therefore, we can say 27 and 54 are not co-prime to each other. Okay, student, right? We observe that between 27 and 54 there are more than one common factor. We observe that between 27 and 54 there are more than one common factor. Okay, you see here is 3, 3 and 9, 9. Therefore, we can say 27 and 54 are not co-prime to each other. Now, the second thing, you see the another pair 52 and 97, right? Again, the second pair of numbers 52, 97. (26), then 13, 97, 1 into 97. Therefore, the factor of 52. What are the factor of 52 here? You see 1, then 2, then 4, then 13, 26 and 52. These are the factor of 52. Look, 1, 2, 4, 13, 26, 52. And the factor of 97 is 197. You see, between 52 and 97 there is only one common factor, and the common factor is only 1. Okay, so we know the characteristics of common factor that between the two numbers, if except one, if there are more common factor, then that two numbers are not common prime factor. But here you see, here only 1 and 1. Between 52 and 97 there is only one common factor, and there are no more common factor. Okay, therefore we can say 52 and 97 are co-prime to each other. Okay, student, we observe that between 52 and 97 except one, there are no common factor. That is why 52 and 97 are co-prime to each other. Student, you look from the beginning in B number question. The factor of 27 are 1, 3, 9, 27 and 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27, 54. You see here 3 and 3, 9 and 9 are the common factor. That is why we say 27 and 54 are not co-prime to each other. But see 52 and 97, except 1, there is no common prime number. There is no common factors. Okay, except 1, between 52 and 97, there is no common factor. That is why we say 52 and 97 are co-prime to each other. Okay, student, I hope you understood. Now I will solve question number C. Look, which digits is to be put in blank space. That means you see this is a blank space, so that the number will be divisible by 9. Okay, student. Now at first we know the condition of divisible by 9. What is the condition? We know if sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then we say that number is divisible by 9. Okay, student? So look, write sum of the digits used in 5, 7, 4, 2 is 5 plus 7, 4 plus 2 is equal, adding these then you get 18, which is divisible by 9. Look, sum of the digits used in this number is 5 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2 is equal 18, and 18 is divisible by 9. Okay, student, that is why we can say 5740 is divisible by 9. Now look, if we put 0, this is one type of digit. If we put 0 instead of the blank space, then sum of the digits, look, 5 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0, this is equal also 18. Okay, so which is also divisible by 9. Again, look here, if we place 9 instead of the blank space, then it also divisible by 9. Okay, okay, student, look, if we put 9 instead of the blank space, then sum of the digits 5 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2 plus 9. Look, 5 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2 plus 9, then this equals 27, which is also divisible by 9. Okay student, for another number these digits is not divisible. Okay, we observe that only for 0 and 9 this number is divisible by 9. Okay, you see now the questions, which digits is to be put in the blank space. So according to the question you have to write the answer. Therefore the digit 0 and 9 is to be put in blank space. Look, the digit 0 and 9 is to be put in blank space, then the number which obtained is divisible by 9. Okay student, look, the digit 0 and 9 is to be put in blank space, then the number which obtained is divisible by 9. Okay student, and this is our required answer. Look student, our class already has finished. Now I will talk with you HW. Look, our HW nong 3. HW nong 3, exercise 1.2 page nong 11. Exercise 1.2 page nong 11, there is example 1 and that example is very important, okay, for different types exam. Okay students, so you have to practice today's CQ and example 1. This is also CQ. Okay student? Okay student, I hope you understood today's topic. You have to keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.